This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Configuring the bill of materials. Ultimately, every part used in the design must have detailed supply chain information. Rather than requiring that this information be added to each design component or added as a post-process in an Excel spreadsheet, you can add it in any point through the design cycle in ActiveBOM or *.bom doc. ActiveBOM is the component management editor included in the Altium Designer, which is used to configure the component information so that it is BOM ready, including adding additional non-PCB component BOM items such as the bare board, glue, mounting hardware, and so on. Add additional columns such as a line number column to suit the requirements of the assembly house. Map each design component to a real-world manufacturer part. Then verify the supply chain availability and price for each part for a defined number of manufactured units. Calculate the cost to build for the defined number of manufactured units. ActiveBOM is used to map each design component to a real-world part.